What's your favorite way to use a tablet? Do you need it for professional tasks, content creation, or watching Netflix marathons? Or perhaps you love to game on it. No matter where you belong, we have two of the best performing tablets for these categories, the iPad Mini 7 and the Legion Y700. Both were released around the same time and intensified the competition even more. While the iPad Mini 7 looks like a refreshed version of the Mini 6, the Legion seems a bit exciting. But which one actually has the upper hand? While both tablets follow a minimalist design philosophy, their execution varies. The iPad Mini 7 measures 195.4 by 134.8 by 6.3 millimeters and weighs a mere 293 grams, which makes it one of the most lightweight and compact options available. But this is the exact same dimension and weight as the iPad Mini 6. In fact, both look exactly the same. Its aluminum frame and sleek finishes might give it a refined, modern appearance if you are new in the iPad arena. One good thing is its portability is enhanced by thoughtful features like a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. The iPad Mini 7 offers Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, and this is an improvement from its earlier version. It also has GPS and GLONASS for navigation, though it lacks NFC and FM radio. In contrast, the Legion Y700 comes in at 207.1 by 128.1 by 7.9 millimeters and 375 grams. Compared to the iPad Mini 7, this is both larger and heavier. However, this added heft contributes to a rugged, durable aluminum build, adapted more towards gamers and heavy users. The Y700 comes with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, and a 3.5mm headphone jack, a handy feature for gaming and listening to music. It does, however, lack GPS and location services. The iPad Mini 7 has more advanced Bluetooth and built-in GPS, while the Lenovo Legion Y700 focuses on providing a better audio experience. Also, the Mini 7 excels in being lightweight and portable, while the Legion Y700 trades sleekness for strength and durability. Alright, we just saw some cool gadgets that are now quite popular, but that wasn't always the case. A lot of marketing had to be done for them to garner such a fan base. So if you are a business owner and want to increase your sales and drive more traffic to your sites, you should check out today's sponsor, TikTok for Business. It is a global platform designed to help brands like yours become creative storytellers and meaningfully engage with millions of TikTok users. Whether you're looking to attract customers, drive sales, or boost conversions, TikTok's unique ad solutions can get you there. From small businesses to large agencies, TikTok for Business has the tools to help you grow. With TikTok for Business, you can launch your first campaign in just 3 easy steps. First, answer a few questions, and TikTok will create a personalized marketing plan just for you. Then, craft your content using an easy-to-use template or upload existing creative. Finally, run your campaign and watch your business reach new heights with the most engaged audience online. So why are you waiting? Find the link in the description box and launch your first TikTok campaign today. A tablet is all about its display, so it has to be good. Both the iPad Mini 7 and Legion Y700 come with great screens, but they shine in different areas. The iPad Mini 7 sports an 8.3-inch Liquid Retina IPS LCD with a resolution of 1488 by 2266 pixels. But again, this is the exact same display as the iPad Mini 6. Although its screen is well protected with scratch-resistant glass and an oleophobic coating, there is nothing new like a 120Hz refresh rate on this iPad. The Lenovo Legion Y700, with its 8.8-inch IPS LCD, offers a slightly bigger screen, a sharper resolution of 1600 by 2560, and a 16:10 aspect ratio. It's designed for gaming, featuring HDR10, Dolby Vision, and a super smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Its pixel density and brightness make it comparable to the iPad, but better suited for fast-paced gaming visuals. Both displays are bright enough for outdoor use with 500 nits brightness. The Lenovo Legion Y700 offers a higher resolution and faster refresh rate, perfect for gamers, while the iPad Mini 7 focuses on color accuracy, which makes it ideal for creative tasks. In terms of performance, the iPad Mini 7 runs on Apple's powerful A17 Pro chipset, which includes a hexa-core CPU and a 5-core Apple GPU. And this is the most significant upgrade of the iPad Mini 7. Known for its incredible efficiency and speed, this chip allows the iPad Mini to tackle heavy tasks like multitasking and creative workflows with very little to no issues. The A17 Pro consistently outperforms most competitors in CPU and GPU power. Meanwhile, the Legion is powered by the Snapdragon 875G, an octa-core processor paired with an Adreno 650 GPU. While it doesn't match the raw power of Apple's A17, this is the same processor that powers many flagship Android smartphones. It is paired with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of UFS 4 storage. All of this combines to offer an impressive gaming performance. iPad mini 7 lacks here with 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage, though you can upgrade it up to 512 gigabytes. But it enhances its creative potential with Apple Pencil Pro support. This new stylus offers everything the regular Apple Pencil does, which already made writing and drawing on the tablet feel exceptional, but it adds squeeze-sensitive technology for more control. The most groundbreaking feature, however, is the built-in gyroscope, which introduces rotational sensing for the first time. This allows users to rotate the pencil and adjust the angle of pens and brushes on the screen to more naturally replicate the experience of drawing or writing on paper. Apple's iPad mini 7 runs on iPadOS 18 that delivers a smooth user experience with full access to Apple's ecosystem, including services like iCloud and the App Store. It integrates seamlessly with other Apple devices and offers features geared towards productivity, creativity, and multitasking. In contrast, the Legion Y700 comes with Android 12, powered by ZUI 13. Android's open platform allows users to install apps from third-party sources, appealing particularly to gaming enthusiasts seeking flexibility. It offers more customization and freedom, which makes it better suited for tech users who prioritize flexibility. One of the major uplifts on the Mini 7 is the Apple Intelligence. Integrated directly into iPadOS 18, Apple Intelligence uses the power of Apple Silicon and custom generative models to understand language, generate images, and perform actions across apps. It also taps into personal context to enhance and streamline everyday tasks. Many of these models run on the device itself, with private cloud compute enabling flexible shifts between on-device processing and more scalable server-based models powered by Apple Silicon servers. Price is often a deciding factor when selecting a device. The iPad mini 7 base version comes in at approximately $499. If we level the storage of Legion with 512 gigabytes, you have to pay $949. Meanwhile, the Legion Y700 is projected to launch at around $500, but its global version is still not available. Still, it's a lot pocket-friendly. So which one should you pick? For general usage, productivity, and creative tasks, the iPad mini 7 is the superior option, and the Legion Y700 is ideal for gamers and media consumers at a more wallet-friendly price. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.